Artivate is a platform that combines art and activism to create a unique and engaging experience for artists and audiences alike. It provides a space for artists to showcase their work and connect with people who appreciate their message. Artivate focuses on using art as a tool for social change, raising awareness about important issues, and inspiring people to take action. To make money online with Artivate in 2024, follow these step-by-step guide for beginners. 1. Understand Artivate's mission and objectives. Familiarize yourself with the platform's purpose and the type of art and activism it supports. This will help you create content that aligns with their values and increases your chances of success. Develop your artistic skills. Artivate is a platform for artists, so it's essential to hone your skills in your chosen artistic medium. This can include painting, drawing, sculpture, photography, graphic design, or any other form of visual or performing art. Number 3, choose a social cause or issue. Artivate focuses on using art to raise awareness about specific social issues. Research and select a cause that resonates with you and that you feel passionate about. 4. Create your Artivate account. Sign up for an account on the Artivate website or app. Provide accurate information about yourself and your artistic background. 5. Upload your artwork. Once your account is set up, upload your artwork that relates to the chosen social cause. Make sure to include a title, description, and tags that accurately represent your piece and the issue it addresses. 6. Promote your artwork. Share your Artivate profile and artwork on social media platforms, art forums, and other online communities. Engage with your audience and encourage them to follow your work and support your cause. 7. Monetize your content. Artivate offers several ways for artists to make money from their work. These include A. Commission-based sales. When someone purchases your artwork, Artivate takes a commission from the sale. You can set your own prices for your artwork. Donations. Artivate allows viewers to donate to your work if they appreciate your message and want to support your cause. Sponsorships and partnerships. As you gain a following and establish yourself on the platform, you may attract sponsors or collaborate with brands that align with your cause. 8. Network and collaborate. Connect with other artists, activists, and like-minded individuals on Artivate. Collaborate on projects, share resources, and learn from one another. This will help you grow your audience and increase your chances of monetizing your work. 9. Stay consistent and committed. Artivate, like any other platform, requires dedication and consistent effort to build a following and make money. Keep creating, sharing, and engaging with your audience to maintain their interest and support. 10. Continuously improve and expand. As you gain experience and success on Artivate, explore new ways to enhance your artistic skills, engage with your audience, and expand your reach. Attend workshops, online courses, or join art communities to learn from experts and other artists. Experiment with different art forms, techniques, and themes to keep your work fresh and appealing to your audience. In conclusion, making money online with Artivate in 2024 involves understanding the platform's mission, developing your artistic skills, choosing a social cause, creating and promoting your artwork, monetizing your content, networking and collaborating, staying consistent, and continuously improving your skills and strategies. By following these steps, you can build a successful career as an artist on Artivate while making a positive impact on society.